In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix server busy, please try again later error on Free Fire. It usually means the game is struggling to connect to the server. So how to fix this? To fix this, first restart the game. Completely close the game Free Fire app and reopen it. The second method is check internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then check the Wi-Fi is stable, working properly or not. If you are using mobile data, then check your data is working properly or not, or try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to test the internet connection is working properly or not. The third method is check server status. Sometimes the server is busy because it is under maintenance. So check the server status. Check official sites, social media of Free Fire app. So they will tell you the server is working or not. Now we will go for advanced fixes. Method 4. Go to settings. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search for Free Fire. Tap on force stop. Click OK. Go to storage. Click on clear cache. Go back. Go to permissions and enable all the necessary permissions. And make sure this manage app if unused is toggle off. Sometimes this is the reason for the error. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then tap on mobile data and make sure these two are enabled. Go back. Tap on battery and select unrestricted. Sometimes this will also the reason for error. Go to Play Store. Search for Free Fire and check if there is any update or not. If there is any update, update your Free Fire app. After doing all this, your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.